Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing the series of parts of speech in which we have already started subordinating conjunctions. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's begin. Let's start with whether. So it expresses a doubt or choice between alternatives. First example, I don't know whether he will come. He will always support me whether I succeed or not. Next, you must decide whether you will go by train or by bus. So here in this sentence, whether is used to choose from these two, train or bus. Next, my teacher asked me whether I had shown her my work. Next, whether you drive fast or slow, please drive carefully. Here, whether has come in the beginning. That's why we have to take slight pause. As a result, I have put here comma. So here, choice is given whether you drive fast or slow. Please drive carefully. Next, I want to know whether he needs help or not. So here, whether is used to express a doubt. Next, that is though or although. Both have the same meaning and that is contrast. Both shows contrast. So you can choose any. First example, though or although I am flexible, I draw the line about that. So here, though although is in the beginning. That's why comma is needed. Next, although or though Peter was late, the boss did not say anything. Next, though or although he is poor, he is honest. So, both these things are contrasting things, poor and honest. So, that's why here though or although is given because this shows contrast. Though or although she was tired, she looked cheerful. So both sentences or statements are in contrast. That is why to indicate contrast we have used here though or although. Next, although or though this car is dashing, it does not appear to be strong. So contrasting ideas. That's why here although or though I have put. Next, my uncle can run fast although or though he is old. So two contrasting ideas are given. Thoughts are mentioned. That is why here although or though is mentioned. Next, I would like to go out though or although it is a bit late. Contrasting ideas, that's why though or although is used in between the sentence. Though or although Mrs. Charlotte is very learned, she is polite. So contrasting ideas, that's why although or though is given. Though it was raining, she went out. contrasting ideas. That's why though is mentioned. Instead of though, you can use although also. Next, although the kitchen is small, it is well designed. So, although is given to show contrast. Next, although he speaks seldom, he says meaningful words. Both statements or sentences are in contrast. That is why here to show contrast, although is used, and although is given in the beginning, that's why comma is needed. Next, although she was tired, she couldn't sleep. So here contrasting ideas are given. Next, though we were terribly hungry, we had no time for lunch. Contrasting ideas. That's why though is used. Let's do exercise. Use whether or though or although. Four sentences are given and you have to do this exercise now. Hope you have completed. Let's check answers. First, though or although there was a terrible heat outside, they went out. Contrasting ideas are given. That's why here though or although is the correct answer. Next, he finished first, though or although he joined late. So here he finished first and joined late, both are contrasting ideas. That's why they are joined with the help of though or although. Next, she needs you right now, whether she knows it or not. So here whether will come. Next, whether or not you take my deal, I'll help you. Doubt is there. So here you need to put whether. Whether or not you take my deal, I'll help you. Hope you learned from this. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning, keep subscribing. Stay tuned.